Kung Bong Teves, tagidis yung anak si Mayor Paulo Teves, tuwag kita mano Brad Paulo. El PGP team, taki. El de aton, mga Grand si Pakimodo, takeda, el unido consejo. Arriba, Zamboanga City Council. Happy 49th anniversary. Thank you.
Grabe, Sis Joy, el esfuerzo, tama ba?
Yes, yes. Actually, busy rin na disuyo personal.
Of course, no?
But still, look at this. A
He was
testament of
able.
his loyalty and dedication to the Grand Fraternity.
Of course, yung inapas, nice one, Tall Beats. Arriba, tao gamapi.
Arriba!
Arriba, tao gamapi.
Arriba!
Buenas noches, con ustedes todo. First of all, I'd like to acknowledge to El Diaton City Vice Mayor, El Mujer, El Diaton siguiente Congresswoman of District 1, Congresswoman Pinpin Parea, palakpakan kita. Also together with us, El Diaton. Also I'd like to acknowledge Brad Congressman Bong Teves of TGP Party List, represented by Mayor Paulo Teves. Buenas noches. El Diaton Regional GT, TGP Global, Richard Bukoy, palakpakan kita.
Sinulog chapter, Brad Joven?
Video lang, video.
Sinulog pito ko, Brad.
Mas Simon. Nawaraton.
Alam mo ang chapter, Brad?
Kaya pa natin.
Some favor to join us here para pwede ko lang sa man-recognize El Intero Districts and of course bahay lang kita si Joy Kainol din sa sinal stage.
El mga macho guapito lideratos is a West Coast
District. Sila El mga Grand District.
A round of applause, please.
Alright, los demás, no hay pa? El other chapters from the West Coast District. Balik ang tagera todo si District Chairman, no less than Tol Archie Herrera.
Buenas a todos, no? Kaya si Archie Graciano. Manag-acknowledge yung mga chapters niyo under na South District 26. Nasabi lang si Kenken Taki. Pero Divisoria Main Road, Brad Yael, JD Cruz,
Herrera Graciano. At this point, we shall now proceed with Central District, headed by Brad Orenzo Renz Fernandez. Takibas, we have Sis Hannah Mariano.
Si Sana Mariano, tagigel. Okay, tabi ako. Ablay na yung lang yung pwede mira, takigale.
Okay, so City Palmedale District 7 dedicated
Alright, so there you have it. Yan ang musaya at nakomposita. Ronaldo Adon sa Broma City Council.
Until 2026.
Sila yung mga officers
Yes, so the challenge for the 50th still na de ustedes mga mano hermano. Alright.
Alright, okay na.
Happy 49th founding anniversary sa Zamboanga City Council. Unang-una po ang pagbati ko sa ama ng Zamboanga City, si Mayor John Dalipe.
Once again, maraming salamat. No less than Mayor Brad Paulo Teves. From Putik, abla itong Putik, kaya kami.
Na! Brad! O di ba ng GT?
Okay.
Brad J.
Orino. Next, from La Castaville, Tolrens.
Requesting Brad Neil to please assist us with the winners Akib. Okay.
SL mga winners, Tol Neil. Alright, so
Okay.
top 8 sila.
Next, can we also have another?
2. Tama ba? Or last one? Okay. Thank you so much. Once again, Brad, top Toto.
Alright. Let's give it up again to Sitara Band.
Buenas noches, televidentes de Zamboanga. Ako po si Endurano. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita at syempre happy 49th founding anniversary sa Taogama Feed, Zamboanga City Council. Mag-enjoy lang po tayo ngayong gabi. Sana po magustuhan nyo ang aming acoustic jamming session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ng Taogama, I think yung West Coast ata nabigyan ng tig 20 days, tama ba? No, bawat chapter. So, palakpakan natin si Congressman Manix Dalipe. At syempre, ang sabi po niya, tulungan tayo, ayudahan, sabi ni Mayor Manix Dalipe. Tulungan tayo at tuloy-tuloy, meron pang susunod na ayuda na ibibigay po si Mayor Manix Dalipe para sa Taogama. Sandigan ng bawat isa para sa isa't isa. Higit sa lahat, kapatid! Alright? I would like also to acknowledge, we have spotted, no, that we have the chairman for Ayala.
Alright, El Barangay Kapitan.
Hermano Brad Poloy Olvinar.
Kap Brad Poloy.
Buenas.
Hoy, buenas noches contigo, El Tata del Ayala. Alright.
Opo.
Alright, sige.
Okay, sa akin mga noy papo na yung tickets.
Ayala ka nato ng i-upgrade si Vice Mayor 350. Alright, sa price of Voice
Okay,
Pinos.
and el team Dali.
A 20 legacy years of formership. Just to give you a slight impression, kung kilaya yun ni Amor, kung Brad Bongtan, nuay si Brad Bongtan, nuay kapatirang Trisquillo, nuay Brian Alfiara. Legit kaya alas 10 de noche tadurmi si Brad Bong nisita yung 2000 andaman record al canción. Thankfully, because of my root, my senior chapter, which is Pilar College, headed by, of course, rest in peace, Ronel Yim, UGT that time. Yakreya, kung kapatirang Trisquillo, bagong simula, and the rest is Brian Alfi's history.
My legacy is because of the people around me. Nuay lang at kilki, unong-unong minana. Dahil lang na kita mano kong Sis Rose. Now, I'd like to give you naman another person who's important in our lives. This is the present. Brother, sabi yun, okay to speech, but let me just speak about your history. When everybody is turning their backs on Zamboanga City, including the two councils before, there is one person who dreamed. Yan dreamlek, ito lang siyempre si uno ng Mio Termino, and this is na Marlon. Yes! So whoever, look, everybody knows from the political views, I am a National Council officer. Everybody here knows that this is a global community chapter. Kasi ano sinasabi ko? Thou shall not touch Zamboanga City. Zamboanga will remain one, whatever the Constitution they'll follow. Because of that, I have a gift in behalf of our sponsors in Manatee, Manila. I'd like to open you one thing. I hope this would be a remembrance for Brad Bongtan, which is actually you, Brad Bongtan, giving this to Brother Marlon. Ibahin natin. This is now. Let's open this.
Nice.
Yeah. Don't you like this picture? This only means they only have one Zamboanga City Council forever. Because of that, this is my next song and I hope you love this. Chairmans, Gensec Chairmans, thank you very much.
This is for you.
Hindi kita kinig yun, puta. DJ, let's go.
And of course, together with him, yung mga bisita natin that we mentioned earlier, mga kapatid, thank you.